Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today's going to be a different video. So we're going to take a break for a week, so we'll pick up next Monday. But I also want to, recognize some stuff. So we've hit a record of a rolling average of about 100 subscribers every 28 days, and I thought we just passed 600 episodes. I've gotten a little bit behind, so I got some stuff that's piled up that needs to be addressed. So maybe this is a good thing for us to take a week break, kind of reset and get going. But let me show you. And when I saw that, because I was on the fence about this, and then yesterday. So this is an all-time record for a 28-day rolling period. And here is another record. 767 minutes. 12.75 hours. That is a brand new all-time record. So and that kind of sold me on it. So it's okay to take a break. I've had some videos about this before, so let's do one together. It's okay to get reset, and I would even say whatever you practice is what you do. So maybe you need to work into a routine to have a break built in. So maybe we'll start doing something like that. But we're going to take a pause. So I can get caught up on some stuff, so I can be fresh and make sure that I got some quality stuff for you, because I really, truly enjoy making these videos. And that's probably the most important thing. If you're struggling with Python, if you're studying with learning anything, find an aspect of it that you truly enjoy and do that. And then all the little things that are maybe the nuances that are challenging. I had somebody tell me a long time ago, if you had a list of things that you had to get done, sort it in the easiest first or the fastest first. So you can kind of get going, and then after like the fourth or fifth thing, the thing that you didn't really want to do, you're already rolling, and you just knock it out just like everything else. So I've actually abided by that, and it's very handy. But most important, find the thing that works for you. So all right, like I said, real quick video today. Gonna take a week off. We'll pick back up next Monday. So as always, guys, absolutely thank you for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and we'll take care of it. Had a very cool request the other day. Haven't responded back, but a very cool video idea. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in about a week. Bye, guys.